गुड मॉर्निंग फ्रेंड। कल मैंने आपके साथ केमिस्ट्री पोर्शन टीजीटी टैट मेडिकल आपके साथ डिस्कस किया था। आज मैं आपके साथ बायोलॉजी पोर्शन थोड़ा सा डिस्कस करूँगी। मैंने कोशिश की है करने की, अगर कोई क्वेश्चन गलत होता है तो सॉरी फॉर दैट, बट मैक्सिमम मैंने कोशिश की है कि सही आंसर आपको बताए जाएँ। तो शुरू करते हैं फ्रेंड्स। फर्स्ट इज़ what is hydroponics, that is solution containing all nutrient, that means आंसर जो है इसका बी राइट ऑप्शन है। cyclic phosphorylation synthesis is ATP NADPH, सेकेंड ऑप्शन। genus represent C, group of closely related species of plant और animal, smallest animal virus, ये जो है वो थोड़ा सा रॉन्ग क्वेश्चन है क्योंकि अकॉर्डिंग टू मी मिमी इज़ द स्मॉलेस्ट एनिमल वायरस, तो इसमें मे बी ग्रेस मार्क्स मिल जाए हम लोगों को। लेट्स सी व्हाट हैपन। What is common between parrot, platypus and kangaroo? Both show homothermy. Venoms of cobra attacks on nervous system. A connective tissue sheath covering a muscle fiber is called epimysium. Rest of nephridia are integumentary nephridia. And this question is also proposal of constant chromosome। इन चारों ही ऑप्शन में से इसका कोई राइट आंसर नहीं लग रहा है, तो फिलहाल इसको भी हम थोड़ा होल्ड पे रखते हैं। नेक्स्ट इज व्हाट इज़ द फॉर्मूला ऑफ क्लोरोफिल ए, दैट इज C55H72O5N4Mg, दैट इज सेकेंड ऑप्शन। डी ऑप्शन इज द राइट आंसर। डी ऑप्शन इज द राइट आंसर। नेक्स्ट वन इज स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट अमाइलेज इज पैनक्रियाटिक अमाइलेज। नेक्स्ट डेक्स्ट्रोकार्डिया मीन्स हेड प्रेजेंट ऑन राइट साइड ऑफ द मैन। Next, kidney receive about of blood per minute, that is 1200 ml of blood. Number of bone in skull 28 29, थोड़ा सा confusion है, sorry for that. Pectin, a comb-like structure, is found in the eye of birds. Milk hormone is responsible for milk ejection after the birth, that is oxytocin. That is prolactin is responsible for the production of milk and oxytocin is responsible for the milk letdown. Next one is oral contraceptive prevents pregnancy by preventing ovulation is the right answer for that. Next one is the cell mediator immunity inside the human body is carried out by T lymphocyte is the right answer. VAM is the symbiotic fungi. Crocodile and bird association as example of symbiosis or प्रोक्टो कॉर्पोरेशन, इन दोनों में से कोई एक राइट आंसर हो सकता है, बट मैं ज़्यादा सिम्बायोसिस के साथ जाऊंगी। नेक्स्ट, द ग्रीन लीफ ऑफ प्लांट एब्जॉर्व विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग विजिबल स्पेक्ट्रम ब्लू एंड रेड लाइट। हाउ मेनी ईयर्स द ईस्ट कैन बी ड्राई स्टेट? 6 to 1.5 year, that means 1.5 year is the right answer. Name the hormone that control the metamorphosis in frog, that is thyroxine. Next question is which of the given is a bird flu virus which is also known as avian flu virus, that is H5N1. Next, Murrah is the breed of, as we all know, buffalo is the right answer. By weight what percentage of blood in human body? 10%. Which organ is known as graveyard of RBC? स्टार्ट वालों का फेवरेट क्वेश्चन है, हर बार आ ही जाता है, that is spleen. Next, which organ of human body is metabolically active, most active organ, that is liver. Approximately how many nephrons are present in human body? 10 lakh. The bacteria of Japanese fever which affect organ of body? Brain. What is pinus? Tree. The damaged ozone layer situated in stratosphere. The term ecosystem was introduced by Tansley. Plant absorb nitrogen in which form? Nitrate. The C is the right answer. One of the following correct match for the disease and their causative agent. C is the right answer. Typhoid, salmonella. If a man from a sea coast goes to high mountain peak, then his breathing will increase. Translocation of carbohydrate occur at sucrose. During muscle contraction, length of A band remain unchanged. Which pair are the floating ribs of human body? 11th and 12th pair. Prenatal defect in the fetus can be defected by amniocentesis. Pebrine is the disease of silkworm. Photochemical smoke does not contain carbon dioxide. The function of control of rate of heartbeat is controlled by part of brain medulla oblongata, an area of retina which does not have rod and cone cell blind spot. Pomology is the study of roots. फादर ऑफ प्लांट फिजियोलॉजी थोड़ा सा डाउट है इसमें. नेक्स्ट, प्लांट ग्रो इन लोअर लाइट इंटेंसिटी आर कॉल्ड शेड टॉलरेंट. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग लार्जेस्ट डिकम्पोजर ऑफ रोस्ट मूड्स एंड मशरूम्स. नेक्स्ट, which part of poppy plant yields opium latex from unique capsule. The line which lies 55 to 60 degree latitude cannot grow tree beyond it is called timberline. Next, 10% low energy transfer from lower energy level to higher energy level. Next one is Taxol, that is used in anti-cancer drug, is extracted from bark of the following plant, that is T. vacata is the right answer. And country which has higher biodiversity is Brazil. And the organization which published the red list species is IUCN. Next one is Velamen is a spongy tissue on root is characteristic of which root? Epiphytic roots. Phyllethode is a modification of stem. Phyllocad is a modification of stem. Select corruption. The Petunia solanaceae is the correct answer. Placenta and pericarp both are edible in tomato. Osmotic pressure of pure water is 0 and osmophore secretes, इसमें भी थोड़ा सा doubt है, maybe essential oil or maybe salt. So that's all. Thank you all.